Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tati. So today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I'm making this chicken wing with barbecue. Okay, delicious, very delicious. So this video is about chicken wings with barbecue, and the device that I'm gonna be using is Ninja Grill, the small one. Okay, so if you're interested to see how this turned out, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tati. So we're gonna be doing chicken wings over here. I'm gonna be using the Ninja Grill. This is the small one. So far what I did was to press the air crisp. You know, you have to turn it on, air crisp. And I did change the temperature for 300. Okay, so now it's telling me to add more food, to add food. So let's add some chicken wings over here. Okay. Okay, I add 3, 6, 7, 8 chicken wings so far. I'm gonna be doing a second batch, so I'm gonna be doing twice. Okay. All right, so let's close this. Okay, it says 20 minutes, but in 10 minutes I'm gonna open and see how it looks like. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, gonna open like that. Nice. So I'm just gonna flip them. Oh, look nice. I'm just gonna flip them off. Look nice. I like it. Okay. All right. That's how it looks like so far. All right. So let's close it and wait for the next 10 minutes. Okay, so it is done after 20 minutes. Look how pretty. It looks so nice. So let's take it out. Look how it looks like. Perfect. Okay, so I have my second batch over here. I'm just gonna throw it in there like I did before. And the last one, there you go. So I'm just gonna open it again. Air crispy in 20 minutes, but remember at 10 I'm gonna flip them. Okay, 10 air crispy. Let me see, the temperature is 300. Okay, I just want to make sure it didn't change. Add food. It's because it's hot. There you go. All right, so in 10 minutes let's flip them again. He started eating already. Tastes good or what? Okay, I just took them out. They're right here. I just add some barbecue. I forgot to put to push the plate bottom. I was talking in the air. was so funny. Oh my god. All right, so okay. All right, so if that happened to you, that you start recording and you forgot to put the play button, please comment below. Let me know I'm not the only one here. All right, so I have here, I don't want them to fall, some barbecue. I'm just gonna mix them very well. Let me show you. What? Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, so I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste it. All right. See? My husband liked them like that. I like it more crispy. Okay, so next time I will put it more crispy. Okay. Look at that. Tastes good. Babe, you want to taste it? Tastes good. It's still recording. It is good. All right, so it tastes good. So you have to play around with the temperature and the time. Okay, so if you put it like a high temperature, so you're gonna put less minutes. Okay, because if it's high temperature and you cook it for long, it can get burning. Okay, it can get burned. All right, so you have to play with it. One tip, right, when you do something like that, always write it down, so you don't forget. I always forget. Sometimes I have to see my own video. That's funny. Oh my god. All right, so I did it came out nice. I like it. My husband like it. He already started eating the chicken wings. So hopefully you like it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see me next time.